Hi, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Uday. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about NestJS and Next.js framework. Before going to discuss about these frameworks, first in today's session I am going to cover you about what is front end and back end, why companies, what is mean by what is front end, okay, and back end. These all things I covered in main stack and min stack demo video sessions. Go through that one, okay. Why companies use Next.js. My companies use Next.js and Nest.js. My companies use Next.js and Nest.js. Okay, and our article and the practicals and then installation and then those topics today I'm going to cover. Okay, these are the technologies. What comes under technologies we will see and use it for where we use it for. Okay, technologies. First one, Next.js. Next.js is a front end. Front end. Front end means suppose you type Amazon.com. Okay, suppose you type Amazon.com. Okay, whatever you are saying, this user interface is nothing but a front end. Okay, okay. Next, front end UI plus website. For that purpose, we are using Next.js. Okay, Next.js. Next.js is a backend APIs. Backend. Backend APIs. Okay, next React. React also UI development only. Front end only. UI development. Okay, next Node.js. Node.js is a server runtime. Server runtime. Okay. Next TypeScript. Like JavaScript, TypeScript is a safer coding. Safer coding. Okay. Now you understand which technology used for which purpose. Okay. For backend purpose, Nest.js. For front-end purpose, Next.js. Okay. Before going to see earlier websites. See earlier what happened is earlier websites were slow. Okay, SEO was search engine optimization was poor. Okay, backend code was messy. Messy means in Telugu we call it as busy. Okay, and scaling was difficult at that time. Where in earlier websites. That's why today companies use Next.js, Next.js and Nest.js because why they used because of instead of slower websites, faster websites it is going to perform faster websites, SEO friendly. Previously SEO is very slow. Because of using these frameworks, SEO will become friendly and scalable backend. Backend also messy and scalable was difficult. Now scalable backend. There is no messy. Okay, better performance wise. Okay, next easy API development. Easy API development. Okay, next enterprise architecture. Enterprise architecture. Okay, these are the advantages. That's why companies are using Next.js and Nest.js. Okay, real time companies using these technologies. Which companies using Next.js are companies using Next.js are first of all Netflix. Netflix is using Next.js. Okay, TikTok. TikTok is using Next.js. Twitch is also one company using Next.js. Nike is one company, shoes company. Okay, that is using Next.js. When is Next.js is used? Next.js. Next.js is used in companies like Adidas. Okay, or Rossi is one company. Okay, and Capgemini. Capgemini is using. Okay, in these areas, companies like Netflix, TikTok, Twitch, Nike companies using Next.js. Adidas, Rossi, Capgemini using Nest.js. Okay, this is a front end one and this is a back end API. Okay, next. So why Next.js instead of old React? See, React is also used for UI development only, right? Why Next.js instead of React? React.js is also for UI development and front end only. Instead of that one, why Next.js means? See, old React React problems we will see. Old technology like React, what is the problem means? First one, SEO problems, search engine optimization problems. Next one, slow loading. Next one, manual routing. Next one, difficult backend integration. Difficult backend integration, slow loading, manual routing, poor performance in React. Poor performance. That's why companies are going for Next.js. Next.js. Same front end tool only, UI development. Next.js is the solution companies are looking instead of React. Because of in React, SEO problems they are facing, slow loading they are facing, manual routing they are doing, and difficult backend integration is also difficult and poor performance. That's why they are going for Next.js for front-end UI development. Okay, here what is happening is server side rendering will be there. Server side rendering will be there. Okay, and second one, optimize optimized rendering will be there. Optimized rendering will be there. Okay, instead of manual routing, file-based routing will be there. File-based routing will be there. Okay, instead of difficult backend integration, full stack support will be there. Full stack support will be there. Okay, instead of poor performance, automatic automatic optimization will be there. Automatic optimization will be there. Okay, instead of SEO problems in Nest.js, they find out server side rendering. Instead of slow loading, they use optimized rendering. Instead of manual reading, file based loading they are using. Instead of build backend integration, full stack support it is having an automatic optimization. Okay, that's why companies are going for Next.js. Okay, next, sir, why Next.js? Why Next.js instead of Express.js? Express.js is middleware for Node.js. Okay, instead of Express.js that we will see. Express.js, Express.js problems we will see first. Okay, what is the problems of Express.js we are facing? Because Express.js is a unstructured code. Unstructured code. First problem. Next, hard for large projects. Hard for large projects. Next, difficult maintenance. Difficult maintenance. Difficult maintenance. Okay, difficult maintenance. Okay, unstructured code, hard for large project, difficult maintenance. Okay, no built-in architecture. No built-in architecture in Express.js. Okay, next, hard scalability. Hard scalability. This is the problem that we are facing in Express.js. That's why they go for Next.js. With Next.js, they find out the solution for those ones. It is a instead of unstructured code, it is a clean architecture. Architecture basically. Next one is it is a enterprise ready. It is a enterprise ready. Next one, it is a modular structure. You can reuse it at anywhere. Okay. Next, MVC pattern it is going to follow. MVC pattern it is going to follow. Model view controller and microservice support also there. And microservice support also there. These are the advantages of Next.js solution. Okay.
Sir, okay, it's good, sir. These are the problems we are facing in React. That's why we are going for Next.js and front-end UI development for websites. And these are the problems that we are facing in Express.js solution, Express.js. That's why we are going for Next.js for backend APIs. Sir, it's good. Where we used in real time, sir? I will tell you one example. Food delivery app is there, like Swiggy, Zomato. Okay, apps are there, right? First part, next technology I am taking. First, inside part, customer UI, customer user interface purpose, Next.js there is. For backend APIs purpose, Next.js, Next.js they are using. Okay, for database purpose, MongoDB they are using. Okay, food delivery app I am saying. Okay, Zomato or Swiggy. Authentication purpose, JWT. Okay. Next, payments purpose, Razor Pay or Phone Pay or Google Pay or Stripe. Stripe. They are using. Okay. In this, we use the Next.js and Nest.js and MongoDB JWT and Razor Pay. Okay. Next, installation we will see. Before going to discuss about practicals, in tomorrow's session, I am going to teach you about project. Okay, no need to worry at all. Next.js and NestJS. Today's session I'm going to show overview, but it will take around 150 sessions. Okay, because so many things are there. Okay, in Node.js you need to install. How to install Node.js, sir? Okay, go here. Node.js downloads for Windows. Okay, go here. Download this one. Okay, go here, click this one, and then next. Whether it is installed or not, you can check. How to check, sir? Node hyphen v. Okay, npm hyphen v. Okay, node package manager also you need to check. Next, VS Code you need to install. VS Code means Visual Studio Code. How to install, sir? Okay, go here. VS Code for download for Windows. Download, click on this one, and then you can click on this one. VS Code is going to, this is the VS Code. Okay, this is the VS Code. Okay, next, create Next.js project. In today's session I want to create Next.js project. Then do one thing, go here, terminal, new terminal. Okay, then you can run one command, npx node package execution, create next hyphen app. Okay, at the rate latest next demo. This already I created, that's why it won't work, because already I created, right? Next hyphen demo. See, either by using a new directory name or remove the file listed above. That is why it is throwing like that, because already it is there. Why you are again creating? That's why it is showing like that. Okay, once you created this one, this structure will create. Okay, okay, npx create hyphen, what is that application name? Nest hyphen demo. Nest hyphen demo is the application name. Then it will ask TypeScript, it will ask ESLint, it will ask tailwind CSS, it will ask source folder, it will ask app router SSS, and then install. Okay, then what you need to do? Then cd space next hyphen demo, because we want to move to the particular directory. Okay, next npm say in page.txt. What happens is, I will show you. Whatever you are writing here, that only displayed there. Wait, wait. First what I want to show you. Oh, this code I want to show you. Okay, wait, this code. Okay, npm space run space. Okay, npm space. See this code. See what is the actual page in React or anything, any framework. First initial page we need to see, right? For that, what you need to do is npm space run space dev. You need to type. It will run. It will show you. Wait. See, this is the local IP address. Okay, then go here, type here. See, this is the Next.js framework page. Okay, you want to see to get started at the whatever you want here, you can prepare that code. Okay, I will show you another example. I will show you another example. No need to worry at all. Sometimes it happens, man. No need to worry. This example I already show you. I will change the code and I will show you. Next. Okay, import from next. Wait. This I will show you. This I will show you. See. Here, see, I changed it according to my requirement. Hello, welcome to Udayit Tech Academy. Okay, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel name. I written the code according to my requirement. I want to show this one to the client. That's why I written the code according to that one. Okay. NPX means node package execution. That is a run package. Create next app means create Next.js project. NPM run development, start development server. Okay. Next, I want to show you one more thing also. This is the front end part. Front end means user interface, Amazon.com. This is the front end part, like that Next.js front end part. See, you can write text boxes, buttons, and whatever you want, you can write according to the. But you have to write in page.txt. You have to write the code according to that requirement. Okay. Okay, guys. Next, I want to show you backend code also. Up to now you are seeing Next.js. Now I want to show you Nest.js. Nest.js code I want to show you. cd space backend hyphen demo. Next.js is a backend code, right? That's why backend hyphen demo. Okay, wait. See, cd space backend hyphen demo. This path cannot be specified. Okay. CD space nest hyphen demo is the application, right? Okay. Direct. CD space backend hyphen demo. Okay. Next, what I need to do, I want to show you backend related application also. Okay. I want to show you backend. To run that backend application, npm I hyphen g means globally. Okay. At the rate nestjs slash cli. This I need to run for backend code. Okay. Then what you need to do? Then cd space backend demo. Okay. npm run npm run start dev. This you need to run in backend. That is npm run. Okay. This is running here. You will see. In backend app.controller we are writing the code. Okay. Like that. What is the result we will see. Wait. Okay, go here, go up this unit. Okay, this, where is this one? Go up this unit and blank. Nest dot services also. Okay, just line.tx. Okay. Okay, next. See, we will see. See what is whether it is running or not. Where is this one? Yeah, it is running. It is running. NestJS is running on localhost 3001 because I am given the listening port number as 3001. Okay, this we will go and see. What is the output you are going to get? Welcome to the AT Tech Academy backend. Because see, welcome to the AT Tech Academy from backend side. Okay, this is how you are going to create Next.js project and Nest.js project, and then you are going to get the output. Okay, so in see Nest.js structure, what is see in Next.js see this is the structure that is there in Next.js. So app components. See in app only pages.txt only we write down. In Next.js app.controller service this one. Okay. Next we will see. Both we already saw. Okay. Next.js and Next.js projects. Okay. See. App means what in Nest.js? It is nothing but a pages. Okay. Components means what in Nest.js? It is nothing but a reusable UI. Okay. Next, public means what in Next.js? Images. Public purpose is the app purpose is pages. App folder purpose is pages. Components purpose is reusable UI. Public purpose is images. Styles purpose is CSS. Okay, this is the structure of so inside source. These all things are there in Next.js. Next.js structure. In Next.js structure, this is also inside source only. Inside source only. Okay. Here app.controller dot ts. Okay, app dot service dot ts, app dot module dot ts will be there.
Okay. See, these are see, what happens is in controller. What happened in controller app.control see, get hello function I called. What this get hello? It will return app service. Okay, go to app service. In app service, get hello. What it will return? Welcome to Udayit Tech Academy backend. That is only it is returning when we run this port number. How this port number came here, we are reasoning 3001. That's why it is coming from there. Okay, next I want to show you student dashboard UI. Student dashboard UI. Okay, for that go here, complete it, right? This one we will see. Sometimes it happen, man. You need to wait. Okay, you need to wait. We will check. Okay, this we will see where it is, where it is. Okay, wait. Terminal, where is this terminal? Okay, single space, nest hyphen demo. Okay, npm space run space demo. This is okay. This is front end back. This error. Why it is coming? I will resolve that one. Okay, no need to worry at all. Where is this one? I will resolve that one. Okay. Go down. This is okay. Student dashboard I want to show you. Okay. Okay. Wait. Not this one. Okay. Just wait. It will come. This. This is. I already run that, so it is. Okay, now it is going to run. Otherwise, previous task it is showing always. Okay, go here, go here. See, now it is showing. Oh, builder until meta regular expression letter. RC ECMAScript source field.
Why it is so okay? Maybe then the code I written anything. Oh, 3001. This is okay. That's why it is throwing another 3001. Not this one. This one. Okay, not this code. This is another code. Right. Go up. This is the code. See, so many codes I ran today for my previous batch students. That's why. Okay. That then we will see. See. Now shit, still it is showing. Same thing. Same message. Okay, user from React import Next.js from. Okay, update expression data use client. Okay, this one. Okay. Now it is going to result. Yeah, now it is success. See, Udayit Academy student dashboard. Welcome to NestJS demo class. Join course if you want. I didn't mention inside join course. I didn't write any code. That's why it is not showing. Okay. This is how we are going to create the student dashboard. Welcome to Udayit Tech Academy. Welcome to NestJS demo session. Join course. Okay. What happens sir here? What is the flow happening here? Means first browser request. Browser from browser you are requesting www localhost 3000 you are requesting. Then what happened? Then next.js page loading happening. Next what happened? Home function home method function executes. This function is there in the page.txt code. Okay, this function is going to execute, and then HTML generated HTML code whatever I written is going to generate. It will return that one, and then finally browser displays displays user interface. That's why it is displaying this one. This one. Okay. So, see, I will show you here home function. This function. Okay, home function executes. Then what happened? HTML return, this entire HTML is going to generate, and finally browser display UI. Okay, this is how the process is happening. Here NestJS will load before the NestJS page will load. Okay, before home page browser request Nest pages will load, NestJS page will load. Okay, this is how the process will happening. Okay, next sir, I want to understand this code how it is happening. See, nothing is there man. Here what they are doing, it nothing is there. Import, they are using import useEffect useState from React and image from NestJS, and the home function they are returning. And then okay, this code, this is the HTML code they are writing. Okay, according to the flow it is going to do. Okay, in tomorrow's session I will explain you, because the HTML is, see, for JS, React JS, Angular JS, Vue.js, Next.js, Node.js. Okay, for all JS related frameworks, JavaScript and HTML and CSS are mandatory. If you know those things, these are
very easy. Okay, next I want to show you backend also. Next I want to show you backend practical, and this I already show you. Okay, backend practical I already show you. Okay, again I want to show you backend demo, where it is inside source app.controller.tx. Okay, and then see controller comma get from nest.js. This is nest.js backend means nest.js. Why, what are these means? These are importing decorators, and this is the API controller. It creates API controller and export class app controller. This is the what it creates backend class. It creates API controller, it creates backend class, it imports decorators. Okay, and then it creates get API endpoint. Okay, and then it returns string data, and then sends response to the browser, and then sends response to the and then sends response to the browser. Okay, here what happened? This is Next.js flow, and Next.js flow. This is for front end, and this is for Next Next, and this is for Nest for backend APIs. How the flow will be? First browser request, same thing. Localhost 3000 or 3001 based on the port number you have given. Then Next.js server receives request, then NestJS server receives request, then controller executes, then get hello method runs. Okay, then app service call, then returned response returned. This is the flow in the backend. This is the backend programming flow for Next.js, and this is the front-end UI document for Next.js. This flow you have to remember. If you explain this flow also, it's good in the interview. Okay, see, go to backend. Okay, that we will see right now. Okay, backend code we will run. cd space backend hyphen demo. Okay, npm. Okay, what is the code? What is the code we need to run for backend? Npm run dev, like that. Npm run start or something is there, right? Run start dev. Where is that one? Npm run start dev. Where is the flow? These are flows. Not that one. Npm run. See here, Nest.js, when a user visits main page, get hello method return from the app service. Okay, where is this one that I am looking? These all things I already explained you. Okay, these all things I already explained you. Okay, wait. Where is that one? npm run start colon. This you need to run for backend. Okay, backend application is running. We will see. This is the output you are going to get. Welcome to Uday. Okay, this is reserving in port number. Okay, no problem. 3001 only we will go here. See, not this one. Also, we will see later. See, welcome to Udayit backend. See, backend API, through backend API we are going to get this output. Okay, in Nest.js. See, front end user, back end user. Now what I want to do is I want to connect front end plus back end. Front end means Next.js, back end means Nest.js. What I want to do, front end plus back end I need to connect. Okay, front end plus back end I need to connect. Back end API I need to connect. Okay, that means Next.js plus Nest.js I need to connect. And I will show you. See, what happens is when user opens website, any website. Okay, Next.js shows user interface. User interface means the front end part. And button, user clicks button, then Nest.js API called. Nest.js API called. Okay. Then database accessed. Database accessed. Then response. Then response returned. Then front end updates UI. This is the flow is happening. Okay, user opens website, NestJS show user say Amazon.com user open. Then product related information is showing in the dashboard. It display user interface, right? That is nothing but a user interface. Then the user click on one product. Then NestJS API will called. Then database accessed. Okay, database why purpose for storing data. Database is going to access response return and in front end part it is going to update. See how means see Amazon.com. You open this is the UI. User open website. Okay. Then Next.js shows this UI. And when you click on this product, what happened? Next.js Backend APIs will call and database is going to access and then it is going to return this particular product information. It okay like that. It is going to call. Okay. Sir, advanced topics to mention Nest.js means server components will be there, API routes will be there, SCVO will be there, static generation will be there, authentication will be say. See, I will write. Okay, don't forget, I will write. Next.js advanced components, advanced components, advanced topics I want to touch. So many things are there, man. 150 sessions are required for both Next.js and Nest.js and Next.js. Okay, Next.js. Next.js. See, in Next.js, server components. Server components. API routes. Okay, SEO. Static authentication. Next, server components, API routes, SEO, static generation, authentication. Next.js controllers. Okay, like that, so many concepts are there, man. But more, these are the advanced topics in tomorrow's session. I'm going to discuss with you. JWT authentication. Okay, microservices, WebSockets. Okay, in tomorrow's session, we are going to show you these all things along with some mini project. In daily session, I am going to show one mini project. Okay, see, where's these projects? Where we use in projects means see online course platform. Online course platform we used. Okay, hospital management we used. How we use and everything I will show you. Okay, food delivery I used. App. I already explained about food delivery. CRM application I used, customer relationship management application I used, banking dashboard I used. So many areas we are going to use these things. Everything I will explain you. These are all projects I will show you also. No need to worry at all. Okay. Before going to okay, then in Next.js, what is SSR? Difference between React and Next.js. What is app router? What are server components? Then they're going to so many things are there. In Next.js, what is dependency injection? What are decorators? Difference between Express.js and Next.js. What is a module? Okay. See, in today's session, what we learned: modern front end using Next.js, enterprise backend using Nest.js. Backend means Nest.js, enterprise backend. Modern frontend means Next.js, and that architecture
front-end plus back-end connection. Now I am going to show you. Okay, in next class what I am going to show you is login system, MongoDB database, and JWT authentication, full stack dashboard, and the real-time APIs I am going to show you in next session. Okay, but in today's session I want to show you, see, in today's session I am going to show you this front-end plus back-end integration. See, Next.js is front-end. When you type http localhost 3000 in the URL, okay, HTTP request you are doing, Next.js Backend API it is going to, then it is interact with the MongoDB database and Next.js response, they will get response. Next.js will get response, and that response will be updated in the Next.js UI. Okay, this is how the process is happening. Okay, now I am going to integrate Next plus Next.js. How I will show you. Okay, right. No need to worry at all. Everything I will explain you. See, into demo session only these many practicals I am showing is understand daily session. Almost there are so many practicals I am going to show you in the class session, because without practical knowledge, if you went to IT industry, you'll face a lot of problems. Okay, that I will show you. No need to worry at all. That I will show you. No need to worry at all. Wait. This I want to show you. Okay. Parallelly, I want to run Next.js and Nest.js. Wait, where is the app controller? Okay, this I need to run. This I need to run. I'm not module.ts. This you can keep silent, and this, what is this and everything I will explain you in tomorrow's session, because I'm going to, this is a demo session, I'm going to give the overview. Okay, no need to worry at all for anything. Main.ts. Okay, good. Backend demo. Leave it. And this is the front end demo, right? So this is npm backend demo. See, backend where status 404 you are getting. Why you are getting 404? Okay, we will see. Where is this backend? Okay, localhost 3001, right? Okay, localhost 3001. Not service.
code close. Okay, guys. Okay, now you are see. See, Next.js localhost 3001. See, message cannot get error status for. Okay, okay, wait. Then we can go here. Localhost 3000. See, welcome to Next.js demo session. Okay, from backend you are getting these details. Next.js, React, TypeScript, Node.js. So where, how you can get this one? That I will just see. That I will explain you. No need to worry at all. No need of Next.js for that one. Okay, here I am writing the code. See, here I am writing the code. See, course data is equal course list is equal to ID1, Next.js, React.js, TypeScript, MongoDB. Those things I written. That's why Next.js, React.js, TypeScript, Node.js, MongoDB you are getting. In the front end part only, I am writing entire things. How this looks like, nice, right? Okay, like this we have to develop the front end. So here I am not integrating any backend. Now I am going to integrate backend. Now I am going to integrate front end plus backend. Right? It will come. Okay. Where is this one? Right. Now it will come. Right. Where is this backend? Where is this backend? Okay, localhost 3001 courses. Okay. Why it is throwing this is one here I need to mention courses. ID one name NestJS, ID two name NestJS. This is the front end code, this is the back end, and this is the React, and this is the TypeScript. Okay, four things. Okay. What I written code and go to here app.controller.ts. Okay. Here four I mentioned NestJS. That's why it is showing 4. Okay, here endpoint I am giving as courses. That's why slash 3001 slash courses. How 3001 so 3000? No, here I mentioned the port number as 3001. Okay, okay, guys. Next, in front end also we need to see, right? In front end that is 3001. This is 3000 in front end. Oh, see, 3000. See, welcome to front end Next.js plus backend Next.js demo. I am combining, I am connecting front end plus backend code. Okay, then you are going to get previously 6 came, now only 4 came. How this 4 came from the backend? See, in backend we have only 4 data: ID1, Next.js, ID2, Next.js, ID3, React, ID4, TypeScript. From the backend, you are going. See, this is 3001. This is 3000. This is backend code and this is front end code. I am connecting both front end plus backend. That's why it is displaying both front end dashboard plus back end dashboard. How it is, man? It looks nice, right? Like this you have to develop real-time applications in tomorrow's session. In tomorrow's session I am going to show you how we use it in hospitals, how we use it in banking, how we use it in real time, and everything I will show you in tomorrow's session. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay, okay, here what we are doing in this code, we are what you are doing here, control dot get, those are all decorators, nestjs decorators. Controller course means what? Okay, it creates url. Okay, at the rate controller, at the rate controller, at the get courses mean it creates your own browser sends get request. Okay, runs when api called. Get courses means runs when api called and returns json data and returns this JSON data. Okay, this is how the process is going on. Okay, in tomorrow's session, I am going to show you the entire project. Sir, what here? What happens means next year. See here, what happens means when user clicks button, Next.js fetch. Okay, then NestJS API Backend API called. Then data accessed from MongoDB. Then course data. Okay. Then Next.js response. Okay. Then React state update. Then UI got refreshed. This is the flow it is happening here. Okay, fronting nestjs api and backend api nestjs database mongodb or mysql response, and then updated in the front end ui. Like this we are going to update. See, this is the structure: browser, nextjs 3000, fetch, nextjs api, get courses, and then json data it is written, and then NestJS set courses displaying courses. Okay, okay, guys. In tomorrow's session, I am going to show you now remaining topics and projects. See, this entire Next.js and Next.js course is around to take 100 above sessions. Okay, because lot of things I want to show you in Next.js and Nest.js. Okay, if you have see in demo session, this is a demo session. That's why I'm giving you the overview of the entire project. Okay, in tomorrow session, I'm going to show you daily 20 to 30 practicals in every session. I'm going to show you. Okay, like this up to 100 sessions I'm going to show you. Okay, 100 above sessions. Okay, in tomorrow session, if you want to attend, see, while you are I am not saying join in my institute. Wherever you, if you want to join, you can join, but without practical knowledge, if you enter IT industry, you can struggle a lot. That's why, okay, before then joining in any other institute also, you have to think twice. Okay, then only you can join. Okay, without practical knowledge, it's very difficult to survive in the industry. Okay, okay, guys. See, my website name is my online training website name is Udayit dot great hyphen site.net is my website name, and my YouTube channel name is Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, and then phone number is 8143279660, and place is Nellore. Udayit.great-site.net. Okay, I will show you how to pay the fees. In tomorrow's session, if you want to attend, then you have to pay the fees. Okay, because I already show you about few of the practicals in today's session. Udayit.great-site.net. Okay, just go sign up here. Full name, email address, password, confirm password, and then create account. Okay, once you create an account, username and password you are going to get. Then otherwise you can log in there, or you can log in there. Then bank details will be there. You can pay the fees there. Otherwise, go to home page. Okay. See here, lot of courses I am teaching in my institute. Pega, BPM, Salesforce, SAP, Agentic AI, AMS, Artificial Intelligence, AWS, Cybersecurity, Data Science with Python, Data Structures, DevOps, Ethical Hacking, full stack AI developer generator. These many courses I am teaching. Refer to your friends also if they are interested. They can join by paying the fees here. Okay, before going to fees, I told you to listen my demo sessions, which is available in YouTube channel. I will show you those things also. This is my mobile number. Before going to pay the fees, you have any doubts, you clarify those doubts by calling to this number, and this is my email ID. Okay, go above. Okay, how to pay the fees means sign up here, credentials you will got, then
go home. Okay, then suppose for example Python you want to pay. Okay, like that. Next.js and plus Next.js framework also there. See, data science you want to pay. Enroll now. See, email address, password. Once you sign up, right, you get email address, password. Those details you have to enter here and then log in. Then bank details will be there. You can pay the fees there. Okay, go home. Like that, you have to pay the fees for any next year is also same thing. Okay, like this, you have to pay the fees. Okay, guys. Next, YouTube.com. Go to YouTube.com. Uday IT Tech Academy. Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Go here. See. These many demo videos I already told to my demo sessions to my students. Refer to your friends if they are interested. They can see this. You can ask them to see these demo videos if they are interested. They can pay the fees. They can pay the fees here. Okay, while paying the fees, you have any doubts, you can call to this number, which is available in here also in home page. Here also in home. Go down at the bottom of the screen. You are going to see my mobile number. Okay. See, these many courses I have already given demos to my students. SAP full course, SAP and 10 modules I covered in this demo. Okay, Flutter, okay, like React, like that. Flutter is also a thing, both Android and iOS in a single team it is going to work. Okay, blockchain, okay, a backend engineering, Microsoft, all are powerful all are these are all technologies right now booming in the market. Okay, the IT industry want these professionals only right now in the market. That's why I explained every new technology. Okay, Microsoft Power Apps, Direct for Testing, Fast API, Spark, N8, testing, Salesforce DevOps, Quantum Technology, Prompt Mastery, generating a service now Android, implementing Power BI, Oracle, PHP, Pega, Computer, Data Science, AWS, Cybersecurity, Hacking, Men's Stack, Purple also I am teaching, Soft Skills also I am teaching, Apple also I am teaching, Django, Python, Java, Agentic AI courses. So these are all right now industry wants these type of technologies. Okay, if you learn these technologies, any one technology right now, then you can get job. Definitely you can get job, but you have to learn one programming language and one technology among these 40 technologies, whatever I am uploading. All are right now demanding in the market. Okay, these all technologies are having demand right now in the market. Okay, easily you can get job if you learn any one of the technology. Is okay in my institute. Okay, I am uploading today's demo session also here. See, in today's session, if you have any doubts, you can call me or chat with me or ping with me so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay, no need to worry at all. At the end of the session, I will share you the PDF line by line, whatever I'm teaching in the section. Okay, along with practicals, no need to worry at all about the PDF or documents or anything. Everything I will share you. Everything I will tell you. Okay, but you have to attend the session daily and then you can pay the fees. If you want to attend tomorrow's session, okay, then I will send you the link for tomorrow batch students. Okay, so that they can join. Oh, okay, guys. It was a nice meeting to all of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you very much.